Every journey begins where nature and timing align.
Precision harvesting ensures consistency from the very first step.
Only ripe tomatoes make the cut. Human eyes still guide automated speed.
Volume is essential for industrial scale. Speed preserves freshness.
Timing connects field and factory.
Harvested within hours of processing. Fields rest as production accelerates.
Every load is logged and traced. Clean containment protects quality. From soil to system. The transformation is about to begin. Freshness moves fast on open roads. Freshness moves fast on open roads. Every mile is a race against time.
Conditions are monitored continuously.
Direct routes reduced exposure and delay. Harvest regions feed centralized processing.
Processing begins where scale meets control.
Every delivery is verified.
Traceability is non-negotiable. The factory absorbs the harvest. Input volume defines production output. Logistics align with processing capacity. Controlled environments protect raw material. The handoff is seamless.
The raw harvest enters controlled processing.
Water becomes the first filter. Surface contaminants are stripped away. Only usable fruit advances. Cleanliness is reinforced, not assumed. Human judgment refines automation.
Sensors read what eyes might miss.
Accuracy at industrial speed. Uniformity drives consistency. Efficiency extends beyond the product.
Parameters locked for processing.
Now, transformation begins. Heat prepares the fruit for transformation.
Controlled heat loosens skin and structure. Nothing unnecessary moves forward.
Texture is engineered here.
Consistency replaces randomness.
Heat is measured, never guessed. Water leaves, flavor remains. Concentration without burning. Science defines quality.
The product takes its final form.
Conditions locked in place.
Ready for final refinement.
Refinement begins where precision matters most. Purity is engineered at the smallest scale.
Texture is standardized here.
Consistency is continuously verified. Balance defines flavor. Stability preserves quality. Air out, shelf life in. Visual consistency matters. The product pauses before automation. Flow control prevents deviation.
Human oversight remains essential.
Scale meets intelligence.
This is where efficiency peaks.
Automation turns consistency into certainty.
Production pauses for proof.
Testing begins with selection. Sterility is never compromised.
Human oversight confirms automation. Concentration meets specification.
Balance defines shelf life.
Safety is tested beyond sight.
Uniformity is measured scientifically. Stability confirms processing success.
Data authorizes release.
Zero tolerance protects trust.
Only verified product moves forward.
Now cleared for the world. Approval triggers the final handling.
Approval triggers the final handling.
Protection begins with structure.
Speed meets precision.
Each unit secured for travel. Each unit secured for travel.
Information travels with the product. Information travels with the product. Order is essential at scale.
Stability for long journeys. Every pallet is accounted for.
Inventory weights under control.
Demand sets the clock.
The product prepares to move again.
The journey continues beyond the factory. Every journey begins with careful loading.
Every journey begins with careful loading.
Efficiency carries product to the world. Supply chains extend far beyond the factory walls. Global logistics ensure availability everywhere. Every pallet finds its designated home. Conditions preserve integrity.